हेलो फ्रेंड्स समस्त को स्वागत करुच्छे एजु प्रेफरेंस चैनल को। आज आम भिडियो 2015 मसीह होता ओडिशा सिविल सर्विस फिल्म एग्जाम जीएस पेपर 1 जिते सब साइंस क्वेश्चन आसाला से सब को डिस्कसन करवा। तो यही सब क्वेश्चन आपंकर नेक्स्ट सिविल सर्विस एग्जाम प्रिपेरेसन रे हेल्पफुल हम। ओके, प्लीज वीडियो शेष देखूँ और चैनल को जब नुआ सब्सक्राइब कर दिंतु और बेल आइकन टी प्रेस कर दिंतु ये लेटेस्ट अपडेट पाइबा। तो चलते वीडियो को स्टार्ट करवा। तो देखो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इंसुलिन इज सिक्रेटेड फ्रॉम व्हिच ग्लैंड और ऑर्गन ऑफ ह्यूमन बॉडी। ओके, तो यार राइट आंसर होइছে आपनकर ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज पैनक्रियाज। द पैनक्रियाज मेंटेन्स द बॉडीज blood glucose that is sugar balance. Okay, primary hormones of the pancreas include insulin and glucagon and both regulate blood glucose. Diabetes is the most common disorder associated with pancreas. Pancreas is both an endocrine and exocrine gland. Okay, ये कुछ additional info थला regarding pancreas. Next question, which instrument is used for measuring the altitude, direction and velocity of clouds? तो यार राइट आंसर है आपनकर ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज नेफोस्कोप। Nephoscope, it was created in the 19th century. A nephoscope was an instrument for measuring the altitude, direction and velocity of clouds in the 19th century. Then pyragiometer it is used to measure long wave radiation. Nephelometer is an instrument for measuring the concentration of suspended particulates in a liquid or gas colloid. Then venturimeter, it is used to measure the discharge of liquid flowing in a pipe. Okay, next question, which of the following instruments is used for measuring very high temperature? तो यार राइट आंसर है आपनकर ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज पायरोमीटर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, type 2 diabetes is characterized by hyperglycemia, polyuria. तो यार राइट आंसर है आपनकर ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज बोथ ऑफ द अबव। ओके, hyperglycemia and polyuria. Next question, artificial kidney helps. The right answer is option A, artificial kidney helps in removing nitrogenous waste products from blood. Next question, low pressure turning to cyclone is resulted if the temperature of water at sea level rises above. The right answer is option A, that is 26.5 degree Celsius. Next question, coal should be used judiciously because it causes. तो यार राइट आंसर है आपनकर ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज ऑल ऑफ द अबव, एयर पोल्यूशन, एसिड रेन, ग्लोबल वार्मिंग। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग शुड बी अवॉइडेड इन बायोलॉजिकल मैरिज? तो यार राइट आंसर है आपनकर ऑप्शन ए, A plus boy and A minus girl. Okay, next question, myopia, also known as nearsightedness, can be corrected by the use of. तो ये राइट आंसर है आपनकर ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज concave lens. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which is not the function of CPU? Storage, processing and communication. All these are the functions of CPU. So right answer is option C, that is displaying. Next question, at the time of short circuit the current in the circuit. The right answer is option C, that is increase heavily. Okay, next question, which is not a hardware of a computer? The CPU, monitor, mouse. Okay, all these are hardware of a computer. So the right answer is option D, that is Microsoft Windows. Microsoft Windows is a software. Next question, fuse is the most important safety device used for protecting the circuits due to. So your right answer is option C, that is both of the above, short circuiting and overload. Next question, Microsoft Excel is used for. So your right answer is option C, that is spreadsheet. Next question, non-conventional source of energy is. The right answer is option B, that is nuclear energy. Next question, which of the following constitute a food chain. Okay, तो food chain देखो या right answer होचे आपनकर option B, that is grass, goat and human. Next question, which of the following is a plant hormone? तो यार right answer होचे आपनकर option C, that is cytokinin. Next question, the roots of a plant always grow downwards while shoots usually grows upwards and away from the earth. It is known as, तो यार right answer होचे आपनकर option B, that is geotrophism. Next question, green plant commonly, तो यार right answer होचे आपनकर option B, green plant commonly releases oxygen in daytime and carbon dioxide in night time. Next question, the biochemical oxygen demand in water is enhanced by, तो यार right answer होचे आपनकर option A, that is increase in load of organic matter. Okay, this is the end of the question. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do subscribe. Thank you.